What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is Marketing with Dev. Make sure you guys give me a like, comment, subscribe, and hit those bell notifications so you can be notified when I drop new videos like this one. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to run instant form lead ads so you guys can generate more leads without the prospect actually having to leave the platform of Facebook. So if you don't have a website, if you don't have a landing page or an opt-in page to actually collect the leads, this is something that you can actually do. So the first thing you're going to want to do is obviously be inside of your ads manager, and we're going to select this green create button right here. We're going to create new campaign, and then we are going to select a leads objective. So if you look to the bottom right, you can actually see underneath the leads, it says instant forms, messenger, Instagram and WhatsApp, conversions, and calls. So that instant forms is what we're going to be focusing on in this video. So we're going to continue. I always like to do a manual leads campaign. Now we are inside of the campaign. I have so many videos teaching you guys how to run different campaigns for different types of businesses. So I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to focus on the instant form aspect. So we're going to go to the ad set, new leads ad set, and we're going to make sure that we have instant forms selected. If you have an ad, email, website, landing page, flyer, or brochure, I'll show you how to turn it into a money-making machine in 72 hours or less, guaranteed. I'll look at your current work, show you all the mistakes that you're making that are probably costing you thousands of dollars every single day, and I'll tell you how to fix it. If you're not generating sales on autopilot, it's probably because you're making mistakes that you don't even know you're making. And if you don't know you're making them, it's impossible to fix them. So I'll show you how to fix them and get results just like this. Since I want to help as many of you as possible, I reduced my consulting fee by 80% only for the first 10 people to schedule their magnetic marketing inspection with me. So if you want to generate more leads and more sales for your business on a daily basis, then make sure you click the link in the description and be one of the first 10 to book your session. You can select instant forms and messenger if you also want to receive messages in messenger, but I'm just going to focus on the instant forms for this video. Now, this is the ad set level is also where you'll select your budget, you'll select your targeting and all that good stuff, but I'm not focusing on that in this video, just going to go over the instant forms. So now we're going to go down on the ad level. And now when we go to destination, if this was a regular campaign, this is where you would have your website URL. But for the instant form, we're going to select create form, because instead of the URL, they're going to be sent to this form, right? As soon as they click the ad, this form is going to pop up and they can fill out whatever they want or whatever you want. So form name, you're going to name your form, whatever it is that you're asking, you can name that whatever you want so you know what it is. Form type, I always like to do more volume just so we can get the most amount of people to fill out the form. The next section is intro. So you can use the image from your ad, or you can use an actual background image that you upload. If you want to have a greeting, you can add a greeting as well. The next section is questions. So you can ask questions. You can use a conditional logic, which just means just create a form that changes based on how questions are answered and filter people as a lead or non-lead. So you can actually save a lot of time that way if that's the way you decide to do it. So we can scroll to the bottom and we see these pre-filled questions. So it's just the email, full name. You can add a category right here, contact fields, user information, demographic questions, work information, national ID number. And then we can also add questions up here. So we can add a multiple choice, short answer, conditional, or an appointment request. So it's completely up to you and basically how you're running your business and how you want it to work. The next section is a privacy policy. So you have to have a privacy policy to be able to do this, and you will add the link to it right here. And you can also add a custom disclaimer if you want as well. Now, this next section is message for the leads. So after they actually fill out the form, this is the message that they'll be sent. So this is a preset one that says, thanks, you're all set, but you can put whatever you want. And then you can add the description, you can put whatever you want. So additional actions has go to website, view file, or call business. You can select which one works for you. That's really going to depend on the business and the business that you have. And that's it. Then you can save draft, or you can just create the form right now, create it. It's not going to work for me because I don't have everything filled out. But after you create that form, you will set up your campaign as usual, and then you'll publish it, and then it will be good to go. So very simple, very straightforward. But this is a good strategy if you don't necessarily have a landing page or an opt-in page to send people to be able to still generate leads. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a like, comment, subscribe, and hit those bell notifications so you can be notified when I drop new videos just like this one. And I'll catch you in the next video.